guys, I'm Todd with Kor-Chem. We're here showing the Impro machine. We are at Rock Hill Screen Printing, also the home of the last call for Plastisaw. We're going to show you the Impro unit doing an image wash. Going to place the screen inside, and she's going to come on and do the rest. Hey guys, welcome back through the magic of video. It's been an elapsed time of about 3 minutes. We're about to see our screen come out, and you will see that it is fully rinsed. It'll be ready to go to the drying room to be dried and coated and made ready for the press. For more information about the Impro machine or any of the Kor-Chem products you've seen today, feel free to go to korchem.com. That's KOR-CHEM.com.